Just want to give you a little bit of an overview of what it is that we're going to be covering in this first set of videos. And the topic is really, what is philosophy? And in covering the topic of what is philosophy, well, I'm going to ask you to sit down and think about it for a minute or two and tell me what you think it is. You've certainly heard the word before. Maybe you're a little bit intrigued, confused, want to know a little bit more about it, but I'm sure you have some idea about what philosophy is, which is what brought you into the class. Then we're going to talk a little bit about the common usage of philosophy, how it's used in everyday life, because I think it's used to mean a lot of things that are really a little bit different than what we professional philosophers in academia talk about philosophy. And I'll explain to you the etymology of the word. Etymology means the study of the word origin. So we're going to see where the word philosophy actually comes from. And then you're going to see something interesting, that is what I call the evolving scope of philosophy. We'll talk a little bit about the origin of philosophy and the sciences, where they were originally and where they are today. And finally, this will be taken up in the next session, but I just wanted you to see where we were going. That is, we'll be talking about this, what I call the subject matter of philosophy, or the branches of philosophy. What I want you to do now is take out your pen and pencil. You should have your pen and pencil or your computer, however it is that you're going to take notes, do the exercises that I ask you to do to review the material that we're going over and make sure you understand it. But take it out, and what I'd like you to do is sit down before we get started and explain in a couple of sentences what philosophy is, what you think philosophy is.